How to look expensive without spending much money. The first thing is to start dressing more simple. This does not mean that you should wear boring outfits all the time. It just means that instead of wearing flashy or loud outfits, you should try to wear more understated and sophisticated outfits. A great way to do this is by sticking to a neutral color palette. This does not mean that you should never wear bright colors or patterns. It just means that you should save them for accessories or for when you want to make a statement. Another great tip is to invest in quality over quantity. This does not mean that you should spend a lot of money on clothes. It just means that instead of buying a lot of cheap clothes, you should try to buy fewer but higher quality clothes that will last longer and look better. You can find quality clothes at thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces. Just be sure to inspect the clothes carefully before purchasing them to make sure they are in good condition. And another great tip is to learn how to tailor clothes. This is a skill that can save you a lot of money on clothes because it allows you to alter clothes to fit you perfectly. You don't have to be an expert tailor, but knowing the basics can go a long way. The next step to looking expensive is to take care of your appearance. This is a very important step because it is often the first impression people have of you. First, you need to take care of your hygiene by showering regularly, brushing your teeth, and wearing deodorant. This may seem like basic stuff, but you'd be surprised by how many people neglect it. Then you need to take care of your hair. This does not mean that you need to get a haircut every day or use expensive hair products. It just means that you should find a hairstyle that works for you and that you should keep it clean and well groomed. You should also take care of your skin by cleansing and moisturizing it regularly. You don't need to buy expensive skincare products, but taking care of your skin will make you look healthier and more put together. Finally, you need to take care of your nails. This does not mean that you need to get a manicure every week, but you should at least keep your nails clean and trimmed. Taking care of your appearance may seem like a superficial step, but it is actually very important. When you take care of your appearance, you show others that you care about yourself and that you are a person worth taking seriously. The third step to looking expensive is to develop an elegant and confident demeanor. Developing an elegant and confident demeanor is a process that takes time and effort, but it is definitely worth it. Here are some tips to help you develop an elegant and confident demeanor. Walk with confidence. This means walking with your head held high, your shoulders back, and your chin up. It also means walking at a brisk pace, not too fast, but not too slow either. Maintain eye contact. This means looking people in the eye when you talk to them. It also means smiling and nodding when appropriate. Use polite and respectful language. This means saying please and thank you and avoiding slang and profanity. Dress in a neat and tidy manner. This means wearing clothes that are clean and well fitted. It also means avoiding clothes that are too tight or too loose. Sit with good posture. This means sitting up straight with your shoulders back and your chin up. It also means keeping your legs and feet together. Speak in a clear and concise manner. This means speaking in a voice that is loud enough for everyone to hear. It also means avoiding filler words like and Don't be afraid to be yourself. Trying to be someone you're not is never a good idea. The key is to find ways to improve your natural demeanor rather than trying to change who you are. Remember, developing an elegant and confident demeanor takes time and effort, but if you follow these tips, you'll be well on your way to looking and acting like $1,000,000. The fourth step to looking expensive is to be well educated and articulate. Being well educated and articulate is an important part of looking expensive. It shows that you are a person who values learning and is able to communicate effectively. To become more well educated and articulate, you can start by reading more books and articles on a variety of topics. This will expand your knowledge and help you to think critically and form your own opinions. You can also take courses or attend lectures on topics that interest you. In addition to expanding your body of knowledge, being well educated and articulate also involves improving your communication skills. This includes both verbal and written communication. To improve your verbal communication skills, you can practice articulating your thoughts and ideas clearly and concisely. You can also work on your public speaking skills by joining a public speaking club or taking a course. To improve your written communication skills, you can practice writing clearly and concisely on a regular basis. You can also take courses or workshops on creative writing or technical writing. Being well educated and articulate is an important part of looking expensive. It shows that you are a person who values learning and is able to communicate effectively. By following the tips above, you can start to improve your education and articulation and ultimately your overall appearance. The fifth step to looking expensive is to have a positive attitude. Having a positive attitude is important because it makes you more pleasant to be around. People are attracted to positivity, and it can make a big difference in how you look and act. To have a positive attitude, you need to be optimistic and cheerful. You should focus on the good things in life and avoid complaining. You should also be friendly and outgoing and be willing to help others. Having a positive attitude can make you more attractive, and it can make you look more expensive. It shows that you are confident and comfortable in your own skin. So if you want to look expensive, be sure to have a positive attitude. So those are 5 steps to look expensive without spending much money. By following these steps, you can look and act like $1,000,000 without breaking the bank. Just remember to dress well, take care of your appearance, develop an elegant demeanor, be well educated and articulate, and have a positive attitude. If you follow these tips, you'll be on your way to looking and acting like a person with money. Now let ease move on to some budget and affordable upgrades that can make a big difference in your appearance. One of the most important things you can do is to get a quality haircut. A fresh haircut can make you look more stylish and sophisticated, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Find a barber or stylist who can give you a haircut that suits your face shape and hair type. It will make you look and feel like $1,000,000. Another great budget upgrade is to invest in a nice watch. A nice watch can make you look more professional, and it can also be a conversation starter. There are many affordable watches on the market that look much more expensive than they are. Do your research and find a watch that fits your style and budget. You can also upgrade your wardrobe with some high-quality pieces. Instead of buying cheap clothes that wear out quickly, invest in a few high-quality pieces that will last you for years. A well-tailored suit or dress shirt can make a big difference in your appearance. You can find quality pieces at thrift stores or online marketplaces. Just be sure to inspect the clothes carefully before purchasing them to make sure they are in good condition. Upgrading your shoes is another great way to complete your look. A pair of nice dress shoes or sneakers can make you look more stylish and put together. Invest in a pair of shoes that are well made and that match your personal style. You can find quality shoes at outlet stores or online marketplaces. Just be sure to check the return policy in case they don't fit well. Finally, you can upgrade your grooming game with some high-quality grooming products. This could include things like a nice cologne or aftershave, a quality beard trimmer, or a good quality razor. Find products that work well for you and that fit your personal style. You can find quality grooming products at most major retailers. Just be sure to read the reviews before purchasing anything. By following these tips, you can look and act like $1,000,000 without spending much money. Remember, it's all about making smart choices and putting together a polished and sophisticated look. So go ahead and give these tips a try and see how you feel. You may be surprised at how much of a difference they can make. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you think.